Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Prince.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Priyanshu.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Kushant. Yes, ready for the geography chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. How much we have done in the class yesterday? How much I explained you what exactly we did? Class?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
I'm equator.
हाँ बेटा हम क्या कर रहे थे बच्चे?
Equator.
हाँ
I'm equator.
नहीं, अरे इक्वेटर पे मतलब इक्वेटर पे क्या कर रहे थे हम लोग? इक्वेटर पे तो बहुत गर्मी होती है। इक्वेटर पे इतनी गर्मी होती है, क्या करेंगे उस इक्वेटर पे बताओ?
मैम आपने कल वीडियोस दिखाए थे।
ओके, उसके बाद हमने कुछ डिस्कशन भी करा था।
We have started reading.
Okay, we started reading. This is what I am asking. What exactly we did in
We're
that
doing
part?
reading yesterday.
Huh?
Study, we have started reading.
Huh. I was explaining you about the weather and the climate, how weather and climate are two different concepts, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay. Then I also told you that in summers and winters, how the temperature, if the country is considered as the climatic type of, if the country has a monsoon type of climate, then how in our country during the temperature variations are there in summers and in winters, coastal areas and the high altitude areas, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. There is a column, do you know, in your book. Can Aryan Gupta read that out? Do you know?
Ma'am, on the first page.
Yes, on the first page, page 26, the pink, red, whichever color you say box.
In certain places, there is a wide difference between day and night temperatures. In the Thar Desert, the day temperature may rises to 50 degrees Celsius and drop down to near 15 degrees Celsius the same night. On the other hand, there is hardly any difference in day and night temperatures in the Andaman and Nicobar Island or in Kerala.
Okay. Now, what does it tells you? What have you understood in this? See, in certain places, there is wide difference between day and night temperature. Why in Thar Desert, the day temperature rises to 50 degrees and drop down to 50 degree at the same night? Can anybody tell this reason?
Ma'am, because Thar Desert is
Because
on
of
the equator.
The Thar Desert is.
Ma'am,
Let Aryan complete. Parth, let Aryan complete. Yes, Aryan.
Ma'am, because Thar Desert is on latitude in daytime, the sun मतलब मैम बहुत गर्मी पड़ती है जब सन उधर होता है और जब वो हमारा अर्थ घूम जाता है तो ठंडी हो जाती है.
Ma'am, there is not rainfall.
एक मिनट दोबारा से बोलो. आर्यन आपने क्या बोला? मेरे को समझ नहीं आया एग्जैक्टली.
मैम जैसे कि थार इक्वेटर के पास है.
बेटा थार डेजर्ट कहाँ पे आपको पता नहीं है? राजस्थान में,
मैम थोड़ा
राजस्थान वेस्टर्न उस पे है और वो इक्वेटर से बहुत दूर है मेरे बच्चे।
Near topic of cancer.
यस मैम।
हाँ, तो ये मतलब
मैं
मैं
सारा
आई एम नॉट एबल टू
ठीक है।
डाइजेस्ट दिस फैक्ट। ये बताओ। अच्छा, एनीबॉडी? यस अमन, आप कुछ कह रहे थे बेटा?
Ma'am, because of rainfall that
बट अगर हम देखें तो रेगिस्तान में तो बारिश होती ही नहीं है। डेजर्ट रीजन इज ऑलवेज डिप्राइव्ड ऑफ द रेन्स, नो? तभी तो वो डेजर्ट है, बिकॉज देयर इज नो वेजिटेशन। Who else can tell this reason for it? Sanskriti? Sanskriti?
Ma'am, can you again repeat the question?
Okay, first of all, switch on your cameras, everyone. Switch on your cameras, everyone. ऋषभ, संस्कृति, यशराज, कुशाग्र, सिद्धांत, आर्यन, आयुष, तनिष्का, वंशिका, कुशाग्र, सिंह. Please switch on the cameras, everyone. Okay. Sanskriti. Mahira, do you know the reason why Thar Desert, within a day's time period, there is variation in the time temperature? In the daytime, it reaches 50
Ma'am,
degrees, and in the
ma'am.
night, yes, Mahira.
Ma'am, I don't have book, so I am
No, it is this is not given in the book. I must tell you, this is not given in the book. I'm just asking you because what they are asking over here, this you have already done in your previous classes, right? Anybody in the class?
I'm not sure, but it is due to because it is located.
It is. Beta, what did you say? It is because? Sanskriti, Aryan, Priyanshi, Ayush, Aman, Nishchal, Siddhant, Prince.
Yes, ma'am.
Any one of you, if you could tell me the reason. Yes, Parth, you have raised your hand.
Ma'am, because of the pressure and winds.
Chaliye, I'll tell you the reason. See, if you remember, if you have ever played in the sand, जो sand होती है, जो रेत होती है, it has the capacity of heating up quick and cooling down also quick. तो रेगिस्तान में, desert में, when the sun shines brightly on the sand, it is heated up and the temperature touches 50 degrees. And as soon as the sun sets, no heat, so the sand cools down quickly. That is why in the desert region, during the day and the night, the temperature variations are there. I hope now it is clear to you people. Is it clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Fine. Okay. Now, talking about the precipitation. बेटा टेम्परेचर और प्रेसिपिटेशन तो ये दो फैक्टर्स हैं जो हमारे कंट्री को एक मॉनसून टाइप ऑफ क्लाइमेट वाला कंट्री कहलवाते हैं, ठीक है? अब ये प्रेसिपिटेशन क्या होती है प्रिंस, आपको पता है बेटा? प्रिंस, व्हाट इज प्रेसिपिटेशन, डू यू नो?
No, ma'am.
Anybody in the
Ma'am,
class?
rainfall.
Anybody in the class? Yes, Aman, tell. बेटा अमन बोलो, आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी.
Ma'am, rainfall and hail, snow.
Yes, when we talk of the precipitation, we are actually talking about the rainfall. And precipitation has various forms. Rainfall जो हम अर्थ पे रिसीव करते हैं from the clouds, उसके अलग अलग टाइप्स होते हैं. वो रेनफॉल भी होती है, वो स्नोफॉल भी होती है, उसमें हेल्स भी होते हैं. राइट. राइट क्लास?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए. Can we have Ayush reading this particular paragraph?
Repeat what you just said.
Beta, read page 26, last paragraph, right hand side. Read.
Let us now.
Yes, from here only.
Ma'am, your
Voice is
voice is
breaking.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Beta, I am
Yes,
in
ma'am.
school and there are network issues.
Your
Right?
voice is not clear.
Beta, I am in school, network issues are there. I think that is why my voice is not clear.
Yes, it's fine.
Ayush, read beta. I'm
You
waiting.
can write in chat box. No, you are not audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, I can't help it. What to do? Network issues are there.
You can write in chat box.